Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a live session using the newly integrated 1/8 under strategy within the PivotCore ecosystem. If you've been following our Deriv Bot updates, you know we're always looking for that edge in market probability. My goal for this session is clear and disciplined. I'm aiming for 10 total trades, looking to secure at least 7 wins with a final profit target of 37 USD. Whether you're a seasoned Deriv Bot user or just starting, this session will show you how we balance high probability entries with the power of PivotCore's automation. The 1/8 under strategy is designed to capitalize on the high frequency of specific digit outcomes, giving us a statistical cushion. But remember, the secret sauce isn't just the entry, it's the PivotCore Risk Management system. In this session, you'll see the bot handling market fluctuations using smart stake scaling. PivotCore is built to prevent emotional trading. It uses strict stop-loss parameters and take-profit targets to ensure that even if the market gets volatile, your capital remains protected. We don't just chase wins, we manage the math behind the trades. As we watch the trades execute, notice how the bot maintains its composure. We hit our first few wins, and even when a loss pops up, the strategy's recovery logic kicks in without over-leveraging the account. Moving through our 10-trade cycle, we've successfully hit our 70% win rate. Just like that, we've reached our $37 profit target for the day. This goes to show that when you combine a solid strategy like 1/8 under with the disciplined execution of PivotCore, consistent results become a reality. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those profits growing.